dokie, brother. Here we are. We're back. And I'm just going to draw this out right now before I forget. This is clearly like some kind of pocket, right? We had some bid down here. Then there was also absorption down here with the flip. Love to see that. Love to see a zone that we can use. But yeah, you must remember what happened yesterday when I failed to... Also, this is kind of interesting, right? A lot of bid down there. Whoops. So I don't love this area, but there's a lot of bid right here. Those big spikes. So maybe let's kind of just draw. It did like really wick out of here. Whoops. Is there a hotkey for this? Oh, I really needed to change my stream names because I'm not streaming Kenshi at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Can you hear my shit dinging? Okay, we're good. Okay, so we're going to draw this in. This is on 15-minute. And then we're at 9:25 right now. I just wanted to show you the higher time frame. Added a cluster chart to this. So this clearly, I mean, I sold up here, and I got out right away. Infuriating. But, that's the game. That's simply the game. Whoops. Jesus, how many whoopsies? How many whoopsie-doos are we going to have here today? Speaking of whoopsie platforms, I did... So that's been like a 400-point move. I did download a CR chart today. I started setting it up, but it is going to take some... Oh, that kind of looks like a good long right here. It's bouncing right out of some bid. But there was this wedge. Otherwise, what do I think is a good move up here? Like this, I'm not saying we're going to get up there, but I think we can just at least extend this situation. I'm not saying we're going to get up there. Yeah, let's pop back over. Added this little clustery boy. Yeah, I dropped this in because there was some volume down here and pretty big move. Oh, is that what I just added in? Yeah, I think we just added that in. So, we're all looking at the same thing. But big, I mean, look at this. If we do move back up, this could be kind of some runway, I guess, to clear that. Maybe clear it up to here. Just very thin volume, but there's still a bunch of offer up here from before. Let's see. I don't know what that looks like with resting liquidity. And 9:27 now. Can start kicking this up. So yeah, like in this zone, mostly. This could be a little bit of a bounce, but let's see. Just going straight to that first zone we called out. Sorry, I'm eating right now. Did that just take me out? How come? It's a little bit of absorption right here. This honestly might go up based on what I saw on Twitter. I'm not trying to be a little, you know.
Did you get that thing oiled down? Did you get that thing oiled down?
I just take 2 right here. Actually, let's make sure this one's at break even. So I'm sorry, dude. It plays it every time I move it. What do you want me to do? I want you to change it. I want you to freaking change it. I really need I need like a big, huge monitor. I need like 17 monitors. A little more bid.
Yeah, did you get it oiled up? Did you get that thing oiled down?
Okay, so I don't have it.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Okay, I'm just going to have to manually run this one, but this is risk-free now. I'll close it out at break even because we just had a few goody two shoes. The failure to IB is established, and this has failed. Can we get like a 1 minute close up here? You know, it could still bounce back down, but maybe to the middle. Get a little bit of absorption up here. And what happened up here? I didn't really check this area. Like honestly, if you're just trying to pass a prop and maybe you're on NQ, you won't be risking this much, but that's a really good trade on NQ. That's like, dude, like right there. Come on. Okay, big red coming in, which is interesting to see up. Well, that's big sell. I'm tempted to get greedy and buy because we're closing above this on the 15, but that's a little silly. Big blue up here. I'm just going to eat my chicken. You do love to see a zone just do something at least. I mean, look at this. And like I said, maybe we close when it crosses this gap. Can we change that? No. Like gets up here. Like this just boggles my mind. I don't understand it. Yeah, there's a big shelf right here that's holding for the time being. I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Dude, if this is real life, I'm done. Fuck that. This is the strategy. This is what I was talking. This is what I was talking about today in my head, in my little head when I was friggin' working and shit. I wrote this down here. I have it right here. Because it's just like refining, and it happened very quickly. Because I realized, like, yeah, it's good to have a lot of trade data, but I kind of know what sort of works. So if we're really prepping to start trading for real, why not trade like we're trading for real? And maybe this is a buy, place to get back in. 547 P&L. On 5 trades. I'm very skeptical though about just jumping back in. Is this an area? Or is it like a key area? Like this is how I get doinked out of a, bid here. This bid is starting to work. There's a big sell here. Look at the bid on this. I don't like being that close to it, honestly. Trading is easy and the same in order flow as in price action. Market structure is still relevant. I drew little lines and I said market structure is still relevant. Higher time frame zones are still at the core. I drew higher time frame zones. Don't get chopped up in between. That's exactly what I've been doing. So yeah. It's the same shit applies, you know. This bid is coming back. They're kind of chewing through it right now. I mean, imagine you just made $500 on MNQ on a prop firm, and your target's 3,000. You just made it. You just have to do that 6 days. I'm not saying the opportunity's going to be there 6 days in a row, but that's a big chunk. That's a big chunk out of your profit target. I like the way that's holding. I like that they pushed higher on this push here. There's some serious bid at a key area, but look at this move. I mean, I don't know. What do we think?
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Oh, whoops. Shit.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Okay, I'm going to actually close it there. All right. That wasn't great for our P&L, but we still have a good amount. So yeah, for part of me for a minute was looking at this and I was like, hold on, this is kind of a good short. If you look at yeah, I mean opportunity. And I was thinking, I was like, oh, maybe I want to wait till we come back down here before I start longing again. So I do want to see, you know, maybe this rebid, which it's kind of doing. No. Come down here. Come down here. Come down here. Come down here and talk to me like that. Kind of low volume on this candle down below that. But even more volume down here. And this is the that's the IB high too. So let's see you just go a little deeper into that situation. Or maybe right here, this bid. Little absorbs coming in. I want to be patient. I want to see this develop. That's looking good though. Let's just try it. This is crazy.
Did you get that thing oiled
Okay.
down?
We are in knife catching mode right now. And that is not good for my P&L. So yeah, this was a really good short because of all this absorption happening. Maybe wait for this one. Bubble, big absorption, and that's kind of what I was like, well, that's happening here, but it's clearly pushing through that a little bit. IB mid is down here, so let's see if that becomes an area of interest. And big push up in delta for this candle too. For this area. I mean, this looks a lot like yesterday, where we did just start failing to push out of this. We knew we were going to have some problems. Big shelf, you know. Big shelf, lots of volume. Couldn't get through it. I just want to see more activity from buys, I think. They could be deciding to hold the high right now. I still have to eat 19 G's of protein today. However, yeah, I gotta stop looking at a pocket of bid like this and being like, oh my god, it's going back up. Oh my god, it's going back up. Oh my goodness. Like, you just see, we've seen it. I feel like this is a lesson I need to learn in order flow before moving on to live, is just getting, like I did up here, just getting, and I think down here, just getting chewed just having bid that looks like it's gonna save me, and then having that thing just get chewed up. Like, it can get chewed up. It's what happens. And just look for this. Like, this was a pretty short consolidation. There was a big bid right here. That was like a very key area. Back at IBM. It plugged through this last time to bounce out of here, so let's see if that's the same case here. So I'd be hesitant to buy right here. And it's going to be interesting if it retests IBL and bounces, maybe, or if it goes through IBL and we just keep dumping. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Wow. And maybe it, like, that's IBL right there. Possible I should have waited for a retest right there. Let's see if we get any bullish signals up here. There's a lot of bid on here. And let's see if this bounces. If it doesn't, this is probably just going to keep dumping. No cap. Would love to see it break above this. biggest bid was down here. Pretty thin though. Just need a better life for my family. There's that bid coming in again right here. It's just like painfully close to my stop. You know how NQ is, it'll just jump to grab you right there. I'm sure other people have their stops right here too. You can see all the bid building down here.
Homosexual rigmarole,
Man! Yeah, that hurt. That probably doesn't look good. Yeah, sometimes you kind of have a feeling. I don't know. Is that fear or is that like a feeling? A premonition? Just like I shouldn't be in this. 97.5. We are still positive. Let's try to stay positive. It's fake trading. Like I said, if you make 540 points off the rip, not points, but 540 MNQ bucks off the rip, just give it up. Give it up. It doesn't get better than that. It does sometimes. But, now I'm definitely catching the falling knife. If I keep longing this, let's see if we can get a short maybe off the IB in this area that was broken. Excuse me. This right here. That turned out to be interesting. Here we come back. Yeah, and that was still just a nice short off the top. I think I'll stir fry the liver with turkey. I'll make another dog bowl. I ate his liver with dog food and turkey. I don't know. What should I eat? Chewing, selling. Let's keep it tight now.
homosexual rigmarole, man.
God damn. Just flipping too quick. Here we are up at IVL. And some more big volume over here. Could not tell you why it bounced there. Not based on the data I have. Just kind of a taper. This is still a little bit of a volume gap. That was really something, that tick right there. I feel like my default box needs to like look better, you know? Oof. It's interesting. It is big ass volume, but it just like big bubble, no volume below.
I got five on it. I got five on it.
Yeah.
Did you get that thing oiled
Just
down?
getting in like right at the wrong time. Don't forget, this was where I wanted to long, not this. I don't know why I longed there. Just So we did kind of retest the IBM, not the IBM, but the IB, and just see ya. I guess it's not really building strong like volume's just getting less and less and less down here. It's not really building strong volume. Getting a little node here. I mean, look at the size of that bubble. I have no reference. Like, I don't know where this could bounce off of. Yeah, and I think you also can't take every single little pullback or bid. I might be putting too much weight on the volume, the delta profile, honestly. Should be paying attention to like some of these bubbles. This failed to push up. This failed to push up into IB. This is what I should have been paying attention to. And this is like relatively low volume up here. So it just kind of, this could have been just like exhaustion up here of this. Yeah, they just didn't have the juice to push that higher. Oh, F12 is the box. Oh, shit. I accidentally used the NinjaTrader shortcut and it worked. Big bubble butt. That's clearly a big volume. But it also looks like not a lot of volume at the same time. I don't know. And interestingly, this is bouncing right where that bubble is. See if we rebid out of here.
I got 5 on it.
Gotta keep it tight now.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Well, did you?
I got five on it. I got five on it. I got five on it.
It's crazy to see the offer kind of like
Homosexual
reload like that,
rigmarole,
and then you
man.
just get wicked, man. Yeah, that's brutal. I was trying to be patient, ended up missing the long train here. Yeah, so everything after that, you know, if I'm not clear on the zone, just really turns into chop, man. Just tilt
Five on it.
or something. Another good, another good sell. Another good sell. Lost too soon. It's just still pushing lower, guys. It's getting a little crazy, honestly. A little too crazy for me. There's a big bid. Still pushing into lower volume. Oh, here we go. This is the top of something that I didn't see before. This is the top of 1024. And there's a little bit of volume build up here, too. It's just kind of lost interest down there. I'd love to see this come back and rebid. This guy right here, see what happens.
I got five on it. I got five on it. I got five on it.
Homosexual
Oh
rigmarole,
my
man.
God. What the heck, dude? Oh, this is also post. I didn't realize it was 4 already. Wow, time flies when you're losing your shit. When you're losing your ass. Let's throw one more in there for good measure. Yeah, so that just end of day liquidation. Nice. I didn't even know what time it was. Yeah, so we're not going to have a great P&L anymore. But once again, I know it's like shoulda, woulda, coulda, or like if this, then that. But I'm saying if you get that kind of dub off the bat, get up. I think that's all we got. UTC -5 would be okay, so we can. Okay, so it doesn't give me that. Well, give me this.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
That was an exciting open. Yeah. I think I'm going to stir fry the liver with onions again. And then I have so much goddamn turkey that I just need to, I need to cook it. So. I could make like a little burrito tomorrow. That could be good. A little burrito for tomorrow. Okay, so I don't know what really happened. All right, it's been fun. What was the final P&L? It was probably like negative 10 billion. All right.